So today I obtained a Commodore 64 and my life is pretty much complete now. I bought this today on Facebook Marketplace. As you can see, it's a Commodore 64 personal computer. Yeah, this is the later 64C model from probably around 1986. So the original 64 came out in 82. But this is the later revision, which I actually say I prefer. I actually prefer the 64C. Yeah, I just think it looks cooler. I got a bunch of stuff came with it. Got all the original manuals. Super cool to have. These are kind of hard to find now because a lot of them have just been wrecked or thrown out. The manuals for the disk drives. Some manuals to go with some software. I got some boxed games still. Yeah. Super cool to have all these manuals and boxed games. Also got a bunch of discs with it too. Yeah. Discs. I've got the original Geos disc, something I'm super excited to have. Some other games in here, more Geos stuff. I really want to do a video on my channel about Geos, and I wanted to have like an actual Commodore 64 to show it on, but now I can do that. It still powers on, it works just fine. Takes a second to boot up here. And there we go. The basic prompt. Type something in. Yay! So yeah, that's a thing. Also got the disk drive here. It's the 1541-2, which does not work, but I'm not surprised. There's lots of mechanical stuff in these disk drives that can go wrong. Got California's games here. If I insert it, turn it on and close it, you can hear the motor spinning, but we get a device not present error. So we'll need to restore this disk drive. But anyway, other than that, I got a really good deal on all this stuff. It's a little bummed out this drive doesn't work, but I wasn't expecting it to, and it should be a fairly easy repair. I don't know, I'll have to look into it. So anyway, I'm super happy to have this, and I hope to feature it a lot more on my YouTube channel. So go check that out. And anyway, thanks for watching.